Hi friends, this is Tarun. Today my topic is about I am going to explain about what is an agent and its types. In artificial intelligence, an agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through sensors, acting upon the environment through effectors or actuators. Suppose consider a human agent. If human is agent, the sense organs are the sensors and the other body parts are the effectors or the actuators. Suppose if we consider a robotic agent. For robotic agent, the sensors are cameras, infrared rays and some other various motor effectors. This is all about the agent. Coming to the theoretical representation of agent. Agent and its environment. It is agent. The agent perceives the environment. Based on the environment, it going to take actions with the help of their effectors. Now coming to types of agents. Agents are classified based on the degree of perceived. They are simple reflex agents, model based reflex agents, goal based agents, utility based agents, learning agents. Each agent has a specific goal to achieve. Suppose let us discuss about simple reflex agent. Simple reflex agent is an agent acts only on the basis of the current percepts, ignoring the previous percepts. Means if it observes the current environment and takes the actions based on the current situations. Is all about the reflex agents. Coming to the pictorial representation of simple reflex agent. This is the pictorial representation of simple reflex agent. It perceives the environment through sensors, what the world is like now, and take actions based on the conditions through actuators. This is all about simple reflex agent. Model based agent. Model based agent can be handled partially observable environment. It means how the world evolved. Is the itself says the model based reflex agents. Pictorial representation of model based agents. The agent perceives the environment through sensors. What is the state of the world, how the world evolves, what may actions do, what action I should do now, based on the conditions, what actions I should do now. Through actuators, it's all about model based agents. Coming to goal based agents, goal based agents have specific goal to achieve. Some goals are set for the goal based agents. Suppose for an autonomous car, suppose the driver fixes a goal. If he start from Bangalore to go Hyderabad, he has n number of possible ways to reach Hyderabad. But using a goal based agent, it gives the efficient way to reach the goal, that is Hyderabad. This is the pure representation of a goal based agent. It observes the environment through sensors and identify what is the state of the world and how the world is evolved and what are the possible ways to reach the goal and what action I should take to reach the goal safely and efficiently. Coming to utility based agents, utility based agents are also same as the goal based agents, but it chooses a efficient possible way to reach the goal and it makes the describe the how happy the agent is. This is the pictorial representation of utility based agents. It perceives the environment through sensors and identify the what are the states based on the conditions, what action, there are a number of possible ways, but it selects the possible conditions and take actions to make the agent happy. Learning agent. Learning agent is nothing but initially the learning agent has a small knowledge. It's like a baby, a newly born baby. If a newly born baby either learns from her mother or self-experienced by the nature. Suppose consider an example, a newly born baby, he doesn't know what is the state of the lamp. If a baby touches the lamp and he feels that it is very hot, from next onwards he doesn't go to touch the lamp. This is learning experience based learning. Learning agent means it continuously learns the new aspects and adding into its knowledge. Coming to pictorial representation, it is the pictorial representation of a learning based agent. This is all about agent and its types. Thank you for watching. Thank you.